Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It's Friday and we are going to start with Bitcoin once again here, and you see we had a nice little bounce at this support zone here. This would have been a nice trade if I would have actually gotten into it. Unfortunately I didn't, but yeah, I just exited in profits earlier today. So yeah, as far as where it's going, it's definitely going to come up and attack this zone once again, and we'll see if it can break it and head over it again, or if it's just going to come back and needs more support from these zones down here. Ethereum's looking good as well. Same kind of thing going on there. ONT got this trade going still. Here's a watcher I have for today. GRT broke the support zone here, resistance zone, after initially failing it, and then busted it. So I'm probably gonna put this trade in here. I'm just a little nervous about this resistance zone here. My profit target might be a little too high, so we'll see as this develops, if it continues to look like a good trade for me. Onto Forex, Euro CHF. This trade's almost hit profit, finally busted this zone here. I was hoping it would. Well, once this 4 hour closes, if it closes above it, then it'll be looking good. I'm hoping it can still reach my profit target. But yeah, Euro NZD, this trade just took a wild turn against me. It's trying to break this zone, but we got some pressure downwards that's keeping it from closing above it. So let's hope that holds for the next 60 minutes here and see if it can reverse its course once again. GBP NZD, this one was painful. I had this short in place, ready to go, came up and barely missed my entry, and of course just immediately dumped and would have hit profit. So it's a bit of a bummer, but you know, those happen. So Euro AUD, this one finally exited profit. This one I've been holding for days now and just struggling to break this mini zone here, but today finally found the momentum and hit my profit target, so that is great. GBP JPY, I was hoping it'd come down and test the support once again, but it bounced off a little early here. I don't know if it found a little zone here or something, but yeah, I'm gonna keep my order in place and we'll see if it rejects somewhere, maybe even up here, and wait for it to come back down. We'll see. If it does come up here, then I'll probably put in a short. But I do gotta be a little cautious here too, because it is forming a bit of an uptrend here. However you want to draw it. So it may reject here again and take a bounce, but it'll form a higher low probably. I'm looking at this pattern it's forming. So JBP CHF, hoping it'll come and hit my entry here on the support zone. So we'll keep waiting on that. USD, this one immediate stop out. This is that one, if you remember, that I was skeptical about in this bounce, but it was successful, so I decided to put in a long on the second retry. That was obviously a bad idea. I think this is probably an obvious rejection, kind of double top thing, so probably avoidable, but yeah, it didn't happen this time. So NZD JPY, hoping this will come down, hit the support, but it's got a ways to go. So CAD CHF is the long term, still waiting for it to come down and hit the support here. Might be a while though, because again this one's rejecting on the, or it's testing the weekly support. I mean, this one's even bigger than weekly, maybe like monthly or something, but yeah, I'm hoping it will come down and get a more localized entry here. And then AUD CHF, this is a new one for today. I'm thinking this candle will probably close outside of this resistance zone. If it does, then I'll put in a short order and I'll hope for the retest, because it did break over this zone once recently, but now it's falling back through. I'm thinking since this was held as a pretty solid resistance historically here, I think it'd make for a good short here on the retest. So anyway, that's all I got for today. Not a whole lot of new setups for the day, but we'll keep watching. On crypto, there's actually a few other coins that have the same type of setup, a break and retest of the resistance zone. So I only picked one because with crypto everything generally moves the same, and so if I take a million trades in the same direction, if it's a loser, then I have a million losers, so just stick to one. But yeah, there are other setups in crypto if you're looking for them. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment below what you guys have been trading, and we'll see you next time.